So we want to prepare a model for an efficient finite element analysis, but without having to be a skilled CAD modeller. Solid Edge with synchronous technology has some great easy to use tools for this, whether the geometry is created in Solid Edge itself or not. In fact, the bracket we have here isn't a Solid Edge file, so first let's import it by simply opening it into Solid Edge. Well, that was easy. We can immediately see that there are a few aesthetic features. These don't play an important part in the structure of the component, so not worth analysing. Removing these will make it easier to mesh and speed up overall analysis, allowing computer power to be spent in more valuable ways. Now, unlike most other CAD systems, synchronous technology in Solid Edge doesn't rely on a delicate history tree, so removing features here won't cause rebuild issues. Most importantly though, it's very easy. First of all, the rounds. We'll ask Solid Edge to locate all of these for us, and then simply delete. Next up, the spherical features and part number. This time a simple Windows fen select, and again delete. Solid Edge looks after the rest. As we review the model, you'll notice that it is symmetrical, so simulating the whole thing isn't necessary. By dividing the model into quarters and only analysing one of these quarters downstream, we can achieve the results we need, but much quicker. After a simple sketch, synchronous technology allows us to use the regions created to simply cut away the quarters we don't want. Nice. Another area where we can afford to simplify is around these mounting holes. Selection Manager, the tool we used earlier to remove the rounds, is great for locating features in the model quickly. Here it can find the chamfers on both sides of these holes, making selection nice and easy, ready for a delete. Let's also remove this small hole, which is only a locate hole for another bracket. Notice every time we delete, Solid Edge patches the model up for you, instantly. What about geometric edits you might want to make? You don't need a history tree for this, simply click on the face to drag and snap. The final preparation we'll do is in simplifying this top face. You can see that for some reason it has multiple patches, which may cause our simulation mesh to create unnecessary nodes and elements. Check this out. Solid Edge can take these 5 faces and turn them into one face instead. Nice and easy. So in a couple of minutes, without much modelling skill at all, we've used the power of synchronous technology in Solid Edge to prepare this model for an efficient simulation. Solid Edge, design better.